In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company address in a Xero invoice. This skill is fundamental for maintaining updated details on your invoices, ensuring they reflect accurate contact information for your business. Whether you're moving your business, updating your records, or simply correcting an error, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. Once you're logged into your Xero account, you'll land on your Xero dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your accounting activities. This is a comprehensive space where you have access to a wide range of features and settings related to your business's financial operations. To start the process of changing your address, navigate to your organization's area within the dashboard. If you have a direct link saved, go ahead and use it. Otherwise, you can find and select the option labeled Your Organization from the dashboard's menu. This section acts as your gateway to customizing and updating various aspects of your organization's details on Xero. Now that you're in your organization's section, you'll need to locate your settings. Look for the Settings option, which typically features a gear icon. Clicking this will open up a menu brimming with various settings related to your Xero account, spanning from financial configurations to organizational particulars. Within this settings menu, you should find an option labeled Organization Details. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to a section containing general information about your organization, such as the name, tax numbers, and importantly for us, contact information. As you enter the Organization Details section, focus on finding a tab or area named Contact Information. This area is specifically designated for the address and contact information of your organization. You'll see your company's current address listed here. It's time to update your company address by clicking into these fields to make them editable. Carefully type the new address information, ensuring that every detail is accurate. Remember, this information will appear on your invoices, so it's essential to double-check for typos or errors. Once you're confident that your new address details are correct and fully updated, it's time to finalize the changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed near the address fields you've just edited. Clicking Save will apply the changes to your organization's contact information, ensuring that all future invoices generated will display the new address. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your company address on your Xero invoice. This change will ensure that your invoices reflect the most current contact information, which is crucial for maintaining professional and accurate billing communications with your clients. Remember, keeping your business information up to date in Xero not only helps in creating accurate invoices, but also plays a vital role in ensuring compliance with legal and financial regulations. Take advantage of Xero's intuitive interface to regularly check and update your business details as needed. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of Xero for your business. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or just getting started, staying on top of your business's financial details is key to managing a successful enterprise.